AIBA is having a strong organizational base throughout the country. In all state bodies are there. In all states, the affiliated units are having their own union and they are the part of the state body. Not only that, in all India, all the banks are having the All India organizations with their chain in different states. And that way, a strong organization has been built throughout the country by AIBA. AIBA was founded on 20th April 1946 at Kolkata. And from there, now it has spread from Kanyakumari to Kashmir and from Nagaland to Gujarat. Everywhere AIBA flag is now blown. This is our strength. We must be careful to further strengthen our organizations, because strong organization provides the strong base and strong willpower to fight all the challenges. We are facing multiple challenges. Challenges on our job and job security, challenges on our industry, public sector undertaking, and also challenges in a new form that contract employment has been increasing in the industry. So all these challenges, if we want to face and repulse these attacks, only strong organization can provide a strong backbone to us. Let us take a place today to strengthen our organization and make it much more stronger so that we can face all the challenges and repulse all the attacks. With these few words, I greet my members, my colleagues, my leaders and all on this historic day of 76th Foundation Day of AIBA.